Welcome, Warriors. I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and you're watching Airsoft Warrior TV.
What do you guys say about
This footage is from a round of Team Deathmatch at Tulsa Indoor Airsoft in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
Just for the fun of it. I mean, it's Team Deathmatch. We don't have anything better to do.
As a team, we decided that we were going to push up and try to spawn lock the enemy team.
They were like two, and then they didn't make up their mind.
In the early stages of the game, my main goal is to push up as far as I can on the field so I can get into the enemy spawn zone and start making some kills. One of the problems with pushing this far up the field early in the game is that you tend to be very vulnerable to being outflanked by the enemy team or even getting shot by your own teammates. So you have to be very careful, be on alert, and make sure that you know who's on what team and engage targets appropriately.
Enemy down. Enemy down. Enemy down.
After that nice kill streak, I decide I'm going to go ahead and head back to my own lines and regroup and figure out what the battlefield situation looks like.
Enemy down. Oh, you have a band still. Oh, sorry, man. Hit.
Again, as you can see from that friendly fire, it's very difficult to tell who's on what team, especially when you push that far up the field. So that's something to note and make sure that you identify yourself properly.
Okay, let's go, guys. Enemy down.
After moving up into this position, I'm very cautious. I want to make sure that I'm defending my flanks, also watching the rear because I know that the enemy team has pushed up the field and is just trying to basically spawn lock us, which is our goal.
Sleepy. That's parlay, man. Nice job.
In case you're not familiar with the parlay, I'll explain it quickly. A parlay is essentially when two players are close enough to each other that they can safety kill each other, but since they're both at the ready, they just go ahead and call it. It doesn't count as a death, it doesn't count as a kill, you just go back and reset at respawn. Now you notice my teammate moves up, he gets into position. As soon as he moves, I move up, and that way we're not crowding an area. We can both move freely, and we both can engage targets without hitting each other.
Enemy down. Safety, safety. Enemy down.
After making that double safety kill, I go ahead and move up the field and try to get into a better position so I can spawn lock the enemy team. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the video here because I end up spending 3.5 minutes inside enemy territory, literally 20 feet from their spawn, and nobody finds me. Nothing happens. Nobody comes out. Really, really strange and not the best defense on the part of the enemy team. So I'm real cautious, and I decide to move up to a crate, get in position, and just hide out and try to make a stealth kill on somebody just coming out of spawn.
Safety.
Unfortunately, that player was already out and just watching the game, so I didn't make a kill, but it was still really cool and really enjoyable, and an experience you don't often have of just hiding out for several minutes. And that's the end of my team deathmatch at Tulsa Indoor Airsoft in Tulsa, Oklahoma. For more information about Tulsa Indoor Airsoft, be sure to check out airsoftwarrior.net. I hope you enjoyed this footage. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. As always, I'm Blake the Airsoft Warrior, and thank you for watching Airsoft Warrior TV.